We had a Fed meeting last week where they cut interest rates, and it's seen as the first rate cut in a cycle, and in a new rate cutting cycle. And there was some stats in the AFR this week which said that the S&P 500 goes up on average 15% per annum in the year after a rate cutting cycle has started. And every Fed meeting, you sort of have to leave it a couple of days before you really get the market's reaction. Not everything is driven in the stock market by an instantaneous algorithm that gets it right. What happens after a Fed meeting, if it's a pivotal moment, which it sort of is, or sort of was last week, where they've decided to start cutting rates. If there is a pivotal moment with the Fed, as there was in November 2023 when the market bottomed and they told us the inflation problem was beaten and the market took off for 18 months. So this is a fairly pivotal decision for the Fed. It's not huge, it was sort of expected, but it takes a couple of days for fund managers to sit in their asset allocation meetings and decide, what are we going to do about this? Is it material? Should it change our asset allocation? And I think you'll see from what's happened post-Fed meeting that after a couple of days the market started to lift.